Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 isn't picking up properly, it can be frustrating, especially when you're relying on it for cleaning. This issue often arises due to a blockage in the suction pathway or a worn-out brush bar. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a pair of pliers. Always ensure you have these on hand before starting the repair. Begin by safely opening your Dyson V11. First, make sure it's unplugged to avoid any accidents. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the device. Once these screws are out, gently pry the casing apart using your flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage any clips. With the casing removed, you can now locate the brush bar, which is often the culprit when suction is poor. Look for any debris tangled in the bristles or signs of wear. If you see a blockage, remove it carefully. If the brush bar looks worn, it's time to extract it. To do this, you may need to disconnect a few cables. Make sure to note where each one connects for reassembly later. When removing the brush bar, be mindful of the screws that hold it in place. These may require a bit more force to unscrew. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the brush bar, reattach any disconnected cables, ensuring they're secure. Then, start reassembling your Dyson by carefully placing the casing back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson V11 and switch it on to verify that it's working properly. You should notice a significant improvement in suction. To prevent this issue from occurring again, it's advisable to regularly check and clean the brush bar and suction pathways. Keeping an eye out for any blockages will help maintain your Dyson V11 in top condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.